Today we will see the repotting work of this agave. This agave has been removed from the pot, but it seems to have rotted already. Here you can see, I think only the pups can be, or the offsprings can be saved. More updates. It will be using cinder. Other than this plant, the rest of the pups were replanted or repotted. Let's see that. Repotting soil mixes. Bottom layer has clay balls, middle layer is cinder, the top layer has been dressed with coarse river sand. Now we will give watering along with fungicide. These plants have been repotted and watered, and even fungicide treatment has been given. I think the mother plant has rotted. Let's see what can be done.